I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we have these little mini buns. They're very versatile and can be used for all kinds of purposes, but what's great is that they're wheat-free, dairy-free, and egg-free.
You can make hamburger buns, hot dog buns. It's a great recipe. Today we're making gluten-free slider buns. Our ingredients are Jewel's all-purpose gluten-free flour, potato flakes, salt, sugar, hazelnut milk, olive oil, agave, vinegar. Our leavening is yeast. My egg substitute is going to be flax. And finally, for the surface of the bun, I'm going to put on an apricot glaze and some sesame seeds.
For our egg replacer, we're using flaxseed and water. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to 3 tablespoons of water. Whisk it up and let it sit for 10 minutes.
For the gluten-free slider buns, we are using yeast as our leavening. We're going to add the yeast, our water, carefully measured between 90 and 110 degrees, adding sugar, and stir. We let this sit about 10 minutes while the yeast is growing and proofing. To mix the buns, we start with our liquid ingredients. The egg replacer, olive oil, agave, and vinegar. Blend for just a bit. And then I'm going to add my already combined dry ingredients. I'm going to blend for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the hazelnut cream and yeast. I'm going to let that mix for 4 minutes. See, the batter is fairly sticky, and that's how we want it. We are using mason jar rings to form the buns and spraying each of the rings with cooking spray. I use an ice cream scoop to form the buns. This dough does not change shape. In order to make it look like a slider bun, you need to take a little bit of water and change the shape so it looks like a bun. These buns have been proofing in the oven for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to bake them at 375 degrees for 20 minutes. Now let's check on the buns. They've been cooking for about 20 minutes. They look perfect.
Let's try these rolls. Here,
Thank you.
just some vegan butter and vegan cheese today.
I'm going to have one of each. That's good, Cheri. Delicious.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.